In this video, I will show you how to use the stock market simulator of Investopedia. Now, this is actually very easy and I will show you it step by step. So first of all, I need to tap on Get Started right here. Then I need to add my email address, create a username, a password and confirm it. Then tap on Register right there. Then you need to verify your email. So just go to your email and then tap on the verification link that Investopedia sent you. And then you should see a screen like this. Welcome to Investopedia Stock Simulator. You have 100,000 in virtual cash in Investopedia trading game. Discover what you can do in the Investopedia simulator. So tap on next. So you can monitor your performance and manage your holdings in real time. Next. Diversify your portfolio by trading from a variety of stocks, ETFs and options. Research. Look up real-time company data and analyze trends to help you make the right investment decisions. Use the leaderboard to compete with traders from diverse backgrounds in your game. So then tap on Start Trading. And this is your dashboard. So as you can see, you see your account value over here. So in the overview, you can see just an overview, of course, of your account, of your stats, and you can see your performance. So if you have if you bought something, you will see a chart. You will see a chart of your P&L right there, and basically how to buy stocks. I will show you it right now. So if you want to buy something, just tap on Trade right here. Then you can look up a symbol or a company, for example, Apple. Then tap on Apple, and as you can see, you see some information of Apple in this case, and you can even you can buy this. So you can select how much you want to buy, for example, max. So this is the maximum amount of Apple stock that I can buy right now, because of course if you multiply 520 with 192 then it's around 100,000. So let's do, for example, 10 for the sake of this video, and you can select the order type, so either a market or a limit or a stop limit. In this case, let me do market, so that is right now. Of course, if you want to dive deeper in the differences, you can learn more. Tap on this one and tap on learn more, but for now market is fine. You can set the duration to good till cancelled or day only. Let me do day only right now, and I can preview the order. As you can see, stock, buy at market, quantity 10, duration day only, etc. Commission 0, quantity 10, and then you can tap on submit order. Right now, as you can see, buy market order for Apple received. Your order has been received by our assistant and it will be executed shortly. Then you can go to portfolio, and it will be executed shortly, so it's not in there right now, as you can see, but it will be there soon. Okay, as you can see, and here you can do some research to stocks, for example, Apple. You can either tap on that or search it, as you can see, and here you can see the chart of trading view. You can see the profile, fundamental data, etc. And based on this information, you can basically decide if you want to buy it. So you can go to games right here, and here you can see basically a leaderboard of all the people that are participating in this Investopedia stock simulator game. So of course, if this is real, if these are real numbers, or if they just hacked it, I don't know. But this is nice, a nice amount of money. But of course, if you want to participate within a leaderboard, you need a lot of money, or you need to be a good trader at least. There are a lot of people participating right here, as you can see, and a lot of people are losing as well. So you can see, go to my games, you can join a game or create a game, and basically you can compete with your own friends, or I don't know, with your class, or with someone that you where you want to play this game with, and you can even add prices, for example, and this way you can just learn how to trade, etc. Yeah, while having fun, I guess. So here you can see my pending trades, as you can see. Buy at market open, because the market isn't open right now. Yeah, it won't buy, but when the market is open, it will buy 10 Apple for me, 10 Apple stocks, for the price of 192, and I can cancel it very easy. And basically that is it. It's very easy. It's very straightforward, because you just need, if you want to buy, you go to trade, you go to a random company, for example Nvidia. You select it, you select how many stocks you want. So as you can see, one stock is $1,000. So let's do 10 stocks maybe. You can change this, preview order. And by the way, this is not financial advice. I do not recommend you to buy 10 stocks of Nvidia right now. But this is just for the sake of this video. Now you tap on this right there, and it isn't loading for some reason right now. So let me wait a bit. And then the only thing you need to do is tap on submit order. And right now, when the market is open, it will buy 10 stocks of Nvidia, and hopefully I can make some good money. So yeah, that is basically it. You can see how much, or if you are outperforming the S&P 500, you can see your performance history, filtered on week, month, etc. And just like that, as you can see, here are my pending trades. If you want to invest with real money, you can take a look at these brokers. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just ask them down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye bye.